Hello, I'm Panagiotis Dimitriadis from National Technical University of Athens. I'm going to present you shortly the n-dimensional generalized classical Kolmogorov process and its application to wind fields. So what we've done here is that first of all, multidimensional stochastic processes are advantageous over multivariate ones in case that the natural processes are observed by images, let's say. So you don't have like point measurements, but images from let's say produced by satellite, radar and stuff. So what we've done here is that we discretized ND stochastic process and we derived all the true continuous space in a discretized space and the expected value of the classical estimator for the Climacogram, the covariance and variogram. So these are these three tables, 1, 2 and 3. So in order to model some wind fields, we chose a generalized HK stochastic model, which actually is a Cauchy type 1. With this equation here for the covariance in the true continuous space, and we model some turbulence in the solar wind, so that's protons hitting the air. You can see it here, and then some hurricane wind speed observation, which is highly anisotropic. So we've actually taken an averaged behavior. The hurricane wind speed observations, we also analyze it in time as well. So these 4 figures are in time as the hurricane evolves. Again, we have good agreements with the data. So the blue dots are the observed ones, the observed from the image. So these are our observations, and the red one is the estimated one. So we had to fit these 2 curves. Finally, we simulated fully developed turbulence as well in a small scale. Again, using a video, so we capture just an image, the last one, so it's fully developed turbulence. And again, our results are quite nice. So for conclusions, I'm just going to say that the Haas coefficient derived in all cases about above 0.7 and more, which actually you can see it in the literature as well. And that's all. And that's something I've written here about the Gaussian distribution, that it's not always Gaussian, it has some skewness as well. Thank you.